Hello student, today we will discuss or we will study that how these tissues are protected. Now what tissues he is talking about? He is talking about our nervous tissue, in which how the tissue like brain and spinal cord, they are protected. Clear? So first we will talk about the brain, how the brain is protected. Brain is a very delicate structure, okay, so it need to be protected. So for that, the brain is protected inside the bony box, which is known as cranium. What we call it? We call it cranium. Clear? Inside the cranium, inside this box, brain is contained. It is present inside a fluid filled balloon like structure which act as the shock absorber. Now what is this fluid? This fluid is known as CSF. What is this CSF? CSF is cerebrospinal fluid. What is that? It is cerebrospinal fluid. Clear? Now what kind of structure this is present? If we do it like, if you see, this is the brain present, this is the cranium. Inside this is the brain. So this gap that you can see here, this is, ये यहाँ पे देखने में ज़्यादा बड़ा दिखाया है मैंने, गैप दिखाया है, लेकिन इतना नहीं होता है. So this is filled with the CSF. ठीक है, यहाँ पे प्रोटेक्टर लेयर्स होती हैं यहाँ पे, ठीक है, मेनिंजेस बोलते हैं उनको हम. तो वहाँ पे ब्लड वेसल्स की सप्लाई यहाँ तक जाती है सिर्फ, ठीक है. तो यहाँ से जो भी एक्सचेंज चलता है ब्रेन के सेल्स के साथ, न्यूट्रिएंट्स का, हार्मोन्स का, ठीक है, और सिग्नल्स का, वो सारा का सारा किसके थ्रू चलता है? CSF के थ्रू. तो कोई वेस्ट ब्रेन सेल्स में से निकलेगा, दैट आल्सो टेक प्लेस थ्रू द CSF. ठीक है. सो वी कैन से द फंक्शन इज, अब इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द फंक्शन ऑफ CSF, फंक्शन ऑफ cerebrospinal fluid, exchange of food, or we can say the nutrients, that is the first. Second, removal of waste that take place through the CSF. Third, transport of hormones that take place through the CSF. And the last one, act as shock absorber. Understood students? So ये बहुत important question है आपका कि CSF जो है, what is the, where it is present and what is its role? CSF. ठीक है. Next is how the nervous tissue causes the action. कि जो भी न्यूरॉन के सिग्नल जो जा रहे हैं वो हमारी बॉडी में एक्शन कैसे होता है क्रिएट. ठीक है. तो सेंस ऑर्गन्स जो हैं वो सिग्नल लेंगे. ठीक है. हमारी बॉडी में वी हैव द सेंस ऑर्गन्स. सेंस ऑर्गन से वो सिग्नल, इफ आई शो इट हियर, we have the sense organs, any organ which take the stimulus goes to the afferent neurons take it to the brain or to the spinal cord. From here it go to the efferent neurons and finally it goes to the muscle. तो नर्वस टिश्यू जो है वो एक्ट कैसे करता है? हमारी मसल्स के थ्रू. ठीक है. So you see here the muscles have the special protein which can change their shape, and their arrangement in the cell is in response to the nervous electrical impulses. ठीक है. Now when this happen, the new arrangement of these protein give the muscle a shorter form. Means ये बता रहा है कि muscle जो हैं in response to the neuron signal, ये जो हैं ये contract and relax करती हैं. They contract and the relax. So this is how the nervous tissue it causes the action. Clear? Now you will do these questions. The difference between the reflex action and the walking. Walking is a conscious phenomena. It is a subconscious phenomena. इसके अंदर brain involved नहीं होता है, spinal cord involved होती है. Walking में brain involved होता है. ये major difference आप लिख सकते हैं. What happens at the synapse between the neurons, ये भी आपने क्वेश्चन करना है. Which part of the brain? So means all these important questions you have to do in the notebook. Next that we have to do, that is the coordination in plants. Okay, so we will start this topic.